Water inside a geyser can reach over 240 degrees Fahrenheit without ever turning to steam. A geyser is a hot spring with a narrow constricted plumbing system that traps water underground instead of letting it escape freely. The overlying rock and water column crush the deep water so hard that it cannot boil, until rising steam bubbles finally shove enough water aside to trigger an explosive release. Every geyser on Earth ultimately borrows its name from one specific spring in Iceland, called Geysir, which literally means the gusher. Fewer than 1,000 geysers exist worldwide, because the rare combination of magma, groundwater, and silica-lined vents only occurs in a handful of places on the planet. Entry complete.